Yeah, swag.
What's cracking? Free Spirit TV. Let's get into another book review, baby. That's the back. My bad. The Art of Thinking Clearly, alright, by a guy called Rolf the Belly, okay? So this book is all about making better decisions. For example, on the back he quotes an example about, have you ever overpaid in an eBay auction? And in the book he says something about auctions. He says, never buy anything in an auction because they have it psychologically set up for you to overpay so much, right? They have, first of all, you have no time to make a decision. You're like, do we have 100 here? 150, 150 going once, 150 going twice, oh 200, we got 200. It's very high pressure. Your brain cannot process the right decision, and they know that. The other thing in auction is it counts on peer pressure too, because they know that you have your ego, and men have big egos, right? And especially men spending money got big egos. So they know that if it's in a room full of people and there's like women there, girls there, whatever, you're not going to want to lose the auction. You want to show that you can outspend the other guy. So it's an ego involved. Time pressure, time constraints, and high octane environment, people shouting and everything. Never buy anything in an auction. Alright, that's what he says anyway. So yeah, I just thought it was a really interesting book. There's 100 of these little chapters. 100. Each chapter is based on ways that we think with shaded or clouded judgment, and how you can stop yourself from thinking in a biased way and actually observe things from a completely objective standpoint, right? So, for example, one of the chapters is about sunken cost fallacy. If you go to Vegas with 20,000 and you lose 15,000, you're gonna be like, man, I just lost 15,000. I might as well just bet the last 5,000. If I lose it, whatever. You know, I already lost 15. That's the wrong way to think about it. You still just need to judge the situation on what's presently happening. You still have $5,000. Why would you waste that as well? Save, hold on to that. You can buy a lot of things with that. So this is when you sink a lot of cost into something, you go until the very end when there's no point even continuing, because you feel like you've already lost most of it. So you just go for broke, you know what I mean? Another really good one in this is probably my favorite one. It's called availability bias, right? This means when things are easily available to you, you will use them over things that are not easily available. It sounds obvious, but for example, if you want to lose weight, do not have any junk or unhealthy food in your house. It makes it available. If it's there in the kitchen, it's available. You will eat it. You will open the cupboard to grab like a pear or something healthy, and then you'll see a bunch of chocolate and it's just there, right? Likewise, it works in a good way. So I'm pretty happy with the way I have my life set up right now. Everything is very available to me. I can literally walk down the street 5 minutes to my training area for freestyle, which is in the same building as a gym for lifting weights or doing cardio or whatever I want to do. Then right here I have my room. I can film stuff in my room. I can make beats right here in my room too. I have all my books here. Like, everything is very available, so I don't have to struggle to do the things I want to do. I don't have to take 2-hour bus trips to my training area like I used to have to do back in Ireland. So everything is available. One of my favorite guys on YouTube, Ty Lopez, he says the same thing. He's like, I put my recording studio next to my weights, and I put them next to my book, my library, in the same room. So everything is right there. It's no effort to go and do the things you want to do. Another great chapter is something, I think it's called the Spokesperson Bias or something. When someone says something, you have to say, okay, what's their incentive with this? You know, if the spokesperson for Coca-Cola says, of course it's perfectly healthy to drink Coca-Cola. Yeah, he's the spokesperson for Coca-Cola, you know? So look into who people are when they say things, you know? If someone says something, do a little background check on them, see what their intention is or why they're saying certain things, and you might be surprised. So don't take everything at face value, you know what I mean? Look a little deeper, dig a little deeper. But yeah, it's an excellent book. It gives so many real life examples, and you're like, wow, that's definitely something that I used to do, or that's definitely something that I do right now. So it's really going to help you just kind of look at things impartially and make better decisions. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. And that's that. See you guys soon. Next episode of Free Spirit TV. I am playing. every single day, new video every day for at least a year, and then I'll see what happens. But for the next year, video every day, maybe 2 videos some days. I don't even know. I might just go crazy. I might make 2 videos a day. You feel me? Alright, man. If you liked the video, let me know. Comment below. Any book suggestions from yourself to me, much appreciated. And yeah, God bless. Have a great day. I feel like the Pope now, just kissing.
2 chainz!